If you're tired of worrying about your cargo getting damaged or stolen in your Silverado, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold. The Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold truck bed tonneau cover caught my eye right away with its sleek design priced around $250. If you want reliable protection from rain and sun while maintaining easy access to your bed, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This cover is made from heavy-duty 24 Oz marine-grade vinyl, which offers excellent protection against the elements. With its patented design, the pre-assembled horizontal crossbars provide support and allow you to fold it up easily when you need full bed access. Plus, installation is a breeze, no drilling required. You just need to cut small holes in your bed liner for the clamps, ensuring a snug fit. It boasts a solid 500+ units sold in the past month, and while it doesn't have specific ratings yet, the demand speaks volumes. Now, some people complained about needing to cut holes in their bed liner, which can be a deal breaker for some. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a reliable cover that provides excellent weather resistance, this is a small price to pay for peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you want a cover that balances affordability with quality. Skip this one if you're not comfortable making modifications to your truck's bed liner. For the price, it's a solid investment for protecting your gear. Now, if the installation hassle with the Tiger Auto bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Perfect Liner Soft Roll-Up. Next up is the Perfect Liner Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau cover, priced similarly around $250. What really stands out here is its incredible ease of use. If you're after convenience and durability, you should definitely keep watching. The Perfect Liner cover is made from double-coated PVC waterproof material, so it's built to withstand everything from rain to dust. It rolls up easily, giving you quick access to your truck bed without any hassle. With an aerodynamic design, it even improves fuel efficiency by reducing wind resistance. Plus, the advanced tail lock system ensures it stays taut and smooth, even when you're cruising down the highway. Over 300 units sold recently shows that people are really loving this. However, a few users mentioned that it can be a bit tricky to get it perfectly aligned at first. But I'll be real with you, once you get the hang of it, the convenience and weather protection you gain are absolutely worth the initial setup. This is perfect for you if you often need quick access to your truck bed without fuss. Skip this one if you prefer a hard cover for added security. For the money, you're getting excellent value with great durability. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you want that classic trifold design. Product number 3, Tonneau Soft Trifold. Now let's look at the Tonneau Soft Trifold Tonneau cover, which is about the same price range of $250. What really impressed me is its durability and design. If you're looking for something that balances protection and style, this cover is worth considering. This cover is made with double-layer PVC and aluminum frames, which means it's built to last and handle tough conditions. It's also waterproof and UV-resistant, so it not only protects your cargo but also keeps your truck looking good. The no-drilling installation is an added bonus, making it easy to set up right out of the box. With over 100 sold in just the last month, it's clear that this cover is gaining traction among Silverado owners. That said, some reviewers pointed out that the stitching could be better. Here's the thing, while it might not be perfect, it still offers fantastic protection for the price and is easy to use. This is perfect for you if you want a durable option that also looks great on your truck. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty hard cover. For the investment, it provides solid protection and style. Now, if the stitching issue with the Tonneau has you concerned, hang tight because the next one offers a completely different experience. Product number 4, Tonneau Vinyl Trifold. Another great option is the Tonneau Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau cover, coming in at about $240. The compatibility with various Silverado models really caught my attention. If you're looking for versatility, this might just fit the bill. This model also features a high-quality double-layer PVC material which promotes weather resistance and durability. The soft trifold design makes it super easy to open and close, giving you full access to your truck bed in seconds. Plus, its lightweight construction means you won't have to struggle with heavy covers. It's sold over 50 times recently, proving it's a popular choice. However, some users noted that it doesn't always fit perfectly out of the box. But I'll be honest, a little tweaking is often all it takes to get it right, and the benefits outweigh the minor adjustments needed. This is perfect for you if you need an easy-to-use cover that fits multiple Silverado models. Skip this one if you want something that's a guaranteed perfect fit out of the box. For the value, it's hard to beat. Now, if you're looking for something that offers added security and durability, the next product is a hard cover that might catch your interest. Product number 5, Aliexpress Hard Folding. Finally, we have the Aliexpress Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau cover priced around $300. What struck me about this one is its hardshell design, perfect for those who prioritize security. If you want ultimate protection for your cargo, this could be your best option. Made from fiberglass, this cover is incredibly strong and designed to withstand harsh weather conditions. It not only protects your gear, but also enhances your truck's aerodynamics for better fuel efficiency. The easy clamp-on installation requires no drilling, making it user-friendly. With over 50 sales recently, it's a solid contender for serious truck owners. That said, some users have found it a bit heavier to handle compared to soft covers. But here's the thing. If you're looking for that extra security against theft and weather, it's worth the minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you need a tough cover that provides the best in security. Skip this one if you want something lightweight and easy to remove. For the cost, it's a great investment for peace of mind. So there you have it, the Tiger Auto T3 Perfect Liner TOMOKA Soft Trifold, another TOMOKA option, and the Aliexpress Hard Folding cover. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Perfect Liner for its ease of use and durability. Avoid the TOMOKA if you're looking for a flawless fit right out of the box. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.